790 Domino and Tromino Tiling. It's a medium problem. The description says that we'll have two kind of tile. One is domino and another one is Tromino tile, and we'll get 2 into n type board, and it makes the solution easier because the width, the height is here constant, the weight is going to be only variable, and also it's going to be from 1 to 1000. So rather than seeing those as a geometrical problem or any approach, we can directly consider this thing as a sequence. I just got the sequence by the test case using from 1 to 7, and here is those output. And if we look into the output, we can see that we can predict those things. If we start seeing from 3, it's repetitive, like actually we can see that if we multiple 2 into 2, which is the previous one, and add 1, it's going to be the answer. And also for the next one, the previous output into 2 plus 1 is the answer, and for this one is also the previous one into 2 plus 2. Actually it's the same sequence. You can see the same sequence is also here. So it's actually 2 into output of n minus 1 plus output of n minus 3. So it's actually going to be very easy one, and we can also reduce the memory. We don't need an array. We can use, I think, 4 variable to solve this one. At first, I'd like to cover those 2 cases. And for simplicity, we will take 0, output of 0 is equal to 1, as it's also out of our constraints. Okay, let's say the output 0 is equal to 1, output 1 is equal to 1, output 2 is equal to 2, and the current one, let's say it's 0 for now. Now I will loop over 2 to n range, because as there is 0, we can assume that n is going to be actually less than 1. Okay, let's make this much more simpler, that we have already covered for n is equal to 2, and we are going to start from 3 to n. Okay, so the current output is going to be simple 2 into O, the first the O 2 plus the first one O0. And we are going to update this index, the O0, O1, O2. So O0 is going to be O1, and it will follow the sequence. And yeah, now we are going to return the current one, the current, but there is one thing, we must return the modulus, as it might be the answer is very large. Okay, modulus of 9 plus 7. Okay, let's run with the test cases. It's approved. I have also covered some other test cases like 13 and 1000. Okay, let's submit this one. Okay, got accepted, and also it's faster and using less memory.